Good morning. It's October 3rd, 2014, 1:19 a.m. early. Okay, so this weather pattern, what does it look like? What do you see when you look at that? Looks like a dragon, kind of. Wing right here, right over China, right by China. Anyways, I saved this picture, excuse me. It was, it's right there in the Marianas Trench, right there. Deepest place on Earth, right? So I saved it earlier. Not this exact picture right now, but earlier tonight. I saved it and I got that on Google Earth. As soon as I get it up here. Okay. So if we take it to the moon, this picture behind here is the lunar South Pole to scale. Right here. This is the lunar South Pole, right size. I had to move it from the South Pole, or the South Pole to the basically the equator of the moon, because you can't do overlays at the North or South Pole. So here you go. Kind of better if you look at it this way, I think. First. And then look at these straight lines right here. There's weather missing right here. You can see it. This straight line here, this straight line here, this straight line here, all these straight lines. There's got to be weather missing in there. It would show those two craters perfectly, and if you had those two craters, I mean, then you would know. I bet you that's showing in the weather. They're not showing it. You can almost see that those two, something right here. Maybe it's all the way out there. I don't know, something out. That's probably that big one. But you see the shape, lunar South Pole pattern right there in the deepest place on Earth. And look at the size. Just look at the size. So that means it hits here, leaves this print, and there's still 2/3 of the moon left. It means it's a lot bigger than they show it. That's what it means. We'll measure it from here to the edge of the circle here. I don't even want to measure it right there. Not that it matters, but it's just so 650 miles, we'll just say 650 miles or something like that. On the Earth, it's about 3,000 miles. Look at that, screenshotting my image there. Okay, so back to the Earth, turn this off. Turn this off. Turn on the weather. And we gotta go from right here, that edge, all the way down here, right? I don't know. Looks like the moon's bigger than me. I mean, it's creating weather on the Earth. It's left its pattern on the Earth, obviously, doing something to the weather very large. And you can see the craters are large on the Earth. Very large. All right. Have a good night, good morning, good day, whatever it is.